I'm Stephen McClellan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to operate your rotary two-post lift. Before using your lift, always inspect it, ensuring that it's in good operating condition. And check that the vehicle's individual axle weight does not exceed half of the lift's capacity. Now, drive into the bay, centering the vehicle between the posts. Make sure that the left front wheel is properly positioned on the spotting dish. Details on the spotting dish positions can be found on the lift and in the owner's manual. Next, check that the correct adapters are being used. RA adapters for unibody vehicles, TA adapters for frames, or flip-up adapters for either. Then, move the swing arms under the vehicle and position the adapters at the manufacturer's recommended lifting points. Extensions can be used to help reach the lifting points and to keep the vehicle level while lifting. Now, push the button on the power unit to raise the arms until adapters make contact with the vehicle's lifting points. Then, slightly lift the vehicle until the wheels are off the ground. Once the wheels are off the floor, ensure that the vehicle is level. Then, go to the front or rear of the vehicle and rock it up and down to make sure it is stable on the lift. Now, raise the lift to the desired height. And make sure you always lower it to its locks by pushing the down lever. To lower the vehicle, first raise it off its locks. Then, pull down and hold the lock release while pushing the down lever. For a comprehensive guide on auto lift safety, visit ALI's website at autolift.org. And for more information on Rotary products, visit us at rotarylift.com.